is going on? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are in a very different location than the normal vlogs. We went all the way from Texas yesterday. So today's Sunday. Yesterday we went racing in Wichita Falls, Texas. Joseph Young took home the win. You guys will have seen that video already. He took home the win in small tire. Got home at 1:30 and I had a flight out to Maryland at 5 a.m. this morning. So we are in Maryland. Look at this scenery. Oh, don't mind that Maserati right there. We'll get to that here in just a second, but we are in some new scenery for a little over 24 hours. So what I'm doing out here is Travis McNutt is doing a training. Well, he was doing a training. Sorry, it's a little windy. He was doing a Ceramic Pro training, and he is also coating some vehicles for Mr. Dave, DHR Street Speed. If you guys haven't followed him on Instagram or on YouTube, make sure you go subscribe to his channel. He has got an insane collection of cars. So I've got a little over 24 hours to get as much film as I can for Ceramic Pro, and I'm gonna try and do some vlog stuff as well. We've got a ton of content to put out before I leave. So I just want to kind of run through the cars while I have a little free break here and give you guys just a little background on some of these cars he's got. So starting outside, I don't know the year of any of these cars, but I assume this is definitely a newer Maserati Gran Turismo. So I don't know Maseratis very well, but this is a very good looking car. I've never even driven a Maserati, but just want to show you guys some of his cars. And he's gonna be here a little bit later, so he might be in this vlog or another one, but we're gonna interview him and kind of see why he has this crazy collection of awesome cars. I mean, why would you not want this collection? Wait till you guys see the rest of it, and not even all of it's here. But moving on over to 2018 Octane Red Dodge Demon. It's got the red leather interior. Love this color. This color is one of my favorites from the Mopar collection. Looks so good. It's a little dirty right now, but we're gonna clean all these up because we've got to do some roller shots outside. But let me take you guys into garage bay number 1. Such an awesome collection. This is insane. So over here we've got a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk with red leather, of course. Look how good that looks. Oh man, the red leather is sick. I don't know. Oh, this one is unlocked. So for any of you who haven't seen the red leather, it's a lot because they've got like the door panels. I mean, even the center console's red leather, but even the bottom of the dash, but man, it looks killer. Love the red leather. So moving on, I'm guessing this is a 2018 or 2019 BMW M5. These new M5s, I don't know much about them, but I do know they have a lot of horsepower for how big of a car they are. I mean, it's a big, comfy, four-door BMW. Super sick. Like I said, we're gonna do some interviews, some talks with Dave later, and he'll tell us a little bit more about these cars. But I just kind of want to give you guys my view of it. Look what we have up there. A Viper ACR. Pretty sure it's an ACR Extreme also. Look at that wing. Why? Bring this one down. I want to drive this one. Oh man, I have such a soft spot for Vipers. So sick. And he actually tracks this one. Can't you tell by all the brake dust? They haven't, I don't believe they're doing the Viper this weekend, so that's probably why this one's so dirty. But he's actually been tracking this one. Super cool. And I just saw a sign over here, so I wonder if it says. Okay, there you go. There's kind of all the specs on his Viper ACR. That's badass. That's really cool. Moving on, got a Tesla Model X 100D. Does not have ludicrous, but if we didn't have this lift above us, I mean, we're going to get this car out because they've got to do the interior on it. And I really, really want to drive these. I know it sounds weird, but I've always wanted to know what it feels like the acceleration of these electric cars. But these do have the really cool doors that go vertically. Look at that white leather. White leather is a bold, bold move. It's always a bold move. And then up top, we've got, of course, Shelby GT500 Super Snake Edition. Badass. I don't know, with the Mustang and the Viper being up top, I don't know how much we'll get to actually look at them, because I'm not sure if he wants to bring those down, but try and give you guys my best point of view. There they are. Insane. Just unreal. And if you thought that was insane, before we go to the other garage, let me tell you what else parks in here typically. There's also, usually right here, a 2019 ZR1 automatic. He's got a ZR1 automatic. So badass. It's actually at Complete Street Performance getting some mods done. I don't want to say what's getting done to it because I'll let that happen on his channel. You guys can go over there, DHR Street Speed, see what's going on with that. Or you can probably subscribe to Complete Street Performance. I'm sure they'll be showing it on their channel because they're going to be doing some ZR1 packages, I believe. But I don't want to say too much about it. And also, kind of going along with the Mustang thing, he's got a Cobra Jet. Yes. The drag pack version of the Ford Mustang, he has a Cobra Jet. So he's been getting his licenses for NHRA, and he's going to run in the Superstock class, I believe. But that's it for this garage. Let's head on over to the next one. On the cars, but wait until you see what's in here. Oh, it's not loud in here. Okay. So here's his McLaren 720S. So these are the 3 cars they're working on right now. All getting Ceramic Pro packages, paint correction obviously.
I mean, it's like, I got
the works. So this is his ZL1 1LE wrapped satin black. This thing looks like the frickin' Batmobile. This makes me miss my satin black wrap for sure. Let's see if we can see inside of it. So yeah, here's the ZL1 1LE. Looks freaking good inside. Love the red lighting. Yeah, this satin black is killer. And then they're finishing up the Audi R8. This is a V10 rear wheel drive. Thing is bad to the bone. So yep, they're just working along. What's up, Mr. McNutt?
I can't hear you, I'm on the phone.
Okay.
FaceTime.
He's FaceTiming someone.
I got the videographer here today.
What up?
Now you're officially on YouTube.
He's officially on YouTube. So, him and Nick are knocking these cars out. Yeah, look at the 720. Whew. That's insane. So they've got their headphones in, they're just kind of working away. Oh.
My headphones aren't in anymore, bro.
Uh-oh. The McNutt has arrived.
More like David has arrived.
Yeah, it's true. Well, you've arrived.
McNutt has been here.
That's true. You've been here how long? A week?
A week.
Oh boy.
Tomorrow's 8 days.
Oh man, got all this tape. Look at this guy taping up the car, taking extra precautions. Alright, let's see what this inside looks like. Woo! Oh, buddy. Look at that. Travis, is this your car?
Yeah, it's my car.
Where do you put the microfibers?
Whenever you have a car like this, you don't have to keep them. You just buy new ones and have them shipped every time. Throw them away at the end.
That's the damn truth.
Throw me $5
Man.
a piece.
Only. Look at the craftsmanship. I mean, this is just insane. This is so cool. Oh, there goes the little dash. And it's hidden. All right, so I know this was a short vlog. I didn't get really into the cars, but we've got a lot of stuff we've got to get done in this short amount of time. So make sure you subscribe so that you can see the rest of the content, because I will be doing a review on a few of these select vehicles. We're gonna do an interview with Dave most likely, and we'll probably do some stuff with Travis, but I've got to do a lot of cinematic footage for Ceramic Pro, so I've got a lot of filming to get done and a lot of editing to get done, but I just want to give you guys like a quick walkthrough of this insane car collection. Did you see all the keys? Man, this is so cool. So that's, I mean, so cool. Dave, you know, we're gonna interview him. He's gonna tell you, you know, how he was able to purchase all of these vehicles, but he's a self-made guy, owned his own business, worked his ass off for a long time, and look what he accomplished. This is goals, people, I'm telling you. I'm so lucky to have been able to come out here and to help do some media stuff for Travis and Ceramic Pro, and I'm really thankful Dave let me come out and film some of his cars. So make sure you guys go subscribe to DHR Street Speed. Follow him on Instagram, DHR Street Speed. Make sure you follow Travis at Travis McNutt Ceramic Pro. If you guys are always interested, you may hit him up for some Ceramic Pro training, or if you need some vehicles done, he can get you with an installer. But as always, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Shit.